Moving on, a major twist in investigations into the Malegaon blast in Maharashtra, in which 5 people were killed. Now, 2 retired Indian Army officers are being questioned for their role in the blast. Now, the officers are suspected to have provided some sort of training to those who have in fact been arrested. Well, let's go across to Rashmi Rajput for more. Rashmi, at this point in time, we do know that these 2 officers from the Indian Army, ex-Army officers, are being questioned by the Mumbai ATS. Is there any likelihood that they will be arrested?
Prachi, the Mumbai police extremely tight-lipped, in particular to this case. Right now, they're not giving any details, but what we know is that they've been called in for questioning. There is no official confirmation that they've been arrested. They might be arrested if their role has been probed. Now, what we know is that 2 ex-Army officers, one a major and the other a captain ranking officer, were called in for questioning by the Mumbai Anti-Terrorism Squad. Now, one was picked up from Pune and the other was picked up from Madhya Pradesh, and they've been questioning since last night. Now, these 2 people, their name propped up while the police was interrogating this Sadhvi Pragya Thakur. She, in the interrogation, told that these two ex-officers helped them in training, in handling of the explosive and also supply of the explosive. What's very important at this point of time to know is that in Malegaon, RDX was used. So were these retired officers involved in supplying of this RDX? That's a big question. Prachi?
Right.